नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आपण मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये बघितलं इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबल. आता आपण बघणार आहोत या मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबलमधला नेक्स्ट दॅट इज तो कसा रीड करायचा आणि त्याच्यातले पोझिशन्स. ओके, सो हाऊ डू यू रीड द पिरियडिक टेबल? In this, it is indicated the carbon, here is a 6 number, here is a carbon word and 12.01 number. What are these four? These four are the first six number is the atomic number of carbon. This is the C is the symbol of carbon and the carbon is the name, and last that is 12.01 is the atomic weight of carbon. This can be read by our periodic table. Okay, then as we know in structure of atom we study that the nucleus contains protons and neutrons. Okay, so this is the proton, this is the neutron. Yellow is the neutron, red is the proton which carries positive charge, whereas these blue are the electrons which carries negative charge. These are the electrons. Okay, so on neutrons there is no positive or negative charge because they are neutral one. Okay, are you getting this? Okay, so how do I find the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in the element by using the periodic table? Okay, let's see answer of this question. That is, number of protons equal to atomic number. Okay, or number of electrons is equal to atomic number. So 6 is the atomic number, then electrons or protons must be 6. Okay, so number of neutrons is equal to atomic weight minus atomic number. Okay, so we can calculate the atomic weight from this, that is number of protons plus number of neutrons are the atomic weight or atomic mass of that element. Okay, are you getting this? So this is our periodic table which is given in our book, that is 1 to 18 are the groups and 1 to 7 are the periods, whereas this lanthanide and actinide series, lanthanum and actinium, lanthanum to lutetium and actinium to lawrencium. This is the periodic table. In that it is classified into alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, yellow as transition metals, dark yellow as basic metals, blue, sky blue, light sky blue is metalloid, sky blue color thoda sa dark, that is non-metal, and extra dark, that is a halogens. These are the noble gases. Last, that is 18 group, the lanthanide series and actinide series. Okay, are you getting this? This is the classification of modern periodic table which is given in our book. Okay, so let's see the periodic table and electronic configuration. Next point of our chapter, that is periodic table and electronic configuration. You have learned in the chapter number 4 that electrons in atoms are distributed in shells and subshells in accordance with Abbu principle, which includes increasing order of energy, Pauli's exclusive principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Okay, are you getting this? So चौथ्या चॅप्टर मध्ये आपण बघितलंय की इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट केलेले आहेत शेल्स मध्ये आणि सबशेल्स मध्ये. कोणाच्या सहाय्याने? तर अब्बू प्रिन्सिपलच्या इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एनर्जीच्या लेवलने आणि पॉलीज एक्सक्लुझिव्ह प्रिन्सिपल आणि हंट्स रूलच्या मॅक्झिमम मल्टिप्लिसिटीच्या आधारे आपण हे पुटअप केलेलं आहे. ओके, सो when elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number, that is Z, the periodicity is observed in their electronic configuration and which reflects in the characteristic structure of modern periodic table. हे कशात दर्शवलं गेलेलं आहे? पूर्ण modern periodic table मध्ये. So location of elements are correlated to quantum numbers of the last field orbitals. Quantum numbers of the last field orbitals. ओके, त्यावरून या एलिमेंटचं क्लासिफिकेशन आणि त्यांची प्लेसमेंट केलेली आहे. ओके, हे लक्षात येत आहे. सो लेट्स सी द अबू प्रिन्सिपल. as we know that for s orbital can hold 2 electrons, p orbital can hold 6 electrons, d orbital can hold 10 electrons, f orbital can hold 14 electrons. So start the filling the electrons from first s, that is 1s orbital, and follow as the arrow. मग पहिला फर्स्ट s भरणार, मग सेकंड s, मग 2p, मग 3s, मग 3p, मग 4s, मग 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, त्यानंतर 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s. ओके, ही अशी ऑर्डर राहणार आहे. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग दिस? हे तुम्ही पाहिलेलं आहे 11वीला हे तुम्ही पाहिलेलं आहे. कोणत्या चॅप्टरमध्ये? स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ॲटम या चॅप्टरमध्ये. ओके, सो दिस इज द एनर्जी लेवल डायग्राम ऑफ अनदर, that is 1s, 2s. There is a 3 subshells, that is p orbital subshells, which can hold 2 electrons each, so it is 6 electrons. Here is a 2 electron, here is a 6 electron, here is a 2 electron, here is a 10 electron, because it has 5 subshells, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then here is a 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 7. There is a 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F has 7 subshells, so it has 14 electrons. Okay, it can hold 14 electrons. Okay, are you getting this? This is also a diagram up to 7p. Okay, so let's see next point, that is electronic configuration in periods. Okay, in periods, this is first n is filling. N means here is a shell. Okay, 2n means 2 shells, 3n means 3 shells. Okay, for first period it is a first shell. For hydrogen and helium also. For second period it is a second shell, whether it is lithium, carbon, fluorine, neon. Whether it is a third period, it has third shells, 3 shells, that is sodium, silicon, chlorine, argon. They have the 3 shells. Okay, let's see the correct electronic configuration for this. That is the first position. The maximum number of principal quantum number or number of shells are denoted as a period. For first period, number of shells n is equal to 1, hence 1s orbital is there for hydrogen and helium. This is hydrogen and this is helium atom. Okay, hydrogen contains 1 proton and 1 electron, whereas helium contains 2 proton, 2 neutrons and 2 electrons. Okay, let's see here. As we know here, that is, this is the proton, red, this is blue, is electron. It is discovered, that is a hydrogen, that is mass is 1.00794, proton 1, neutron 0, electron 1. It is a non-metal, a gas, that is it has melting point, boiling point, it electronic configuration 1 only. It is discovered in 1766. Okay, by Henry Chadwick. Okay, are you getting this? This hydrogen has only 1 shell with 1 electron, so it is placed in first group. Okay, first period, first group. Let's see the second, that is helium. Here it has 1 shell with 2 electrons. Okay, it has 2 electrons, 2 protons and 2 neutrons, which is a noble gas. Means 1 shell first, that is 1s, has 2 electron capacity only. Okay, so helium has 2 protons, 2 neutrons, 2 electrons. Its mass is 4.0026. The melting point and boiling point, it is denoted here. Electronic configuration, that is 2. Okay, Then it is discovered in 1895 by Sir William Ramsay. Sir William Ramsay. Okay. Let's see the structure of lithium also for second period, because number of shells n is equal to 2, hence 1s2 2s 1 orbitals, that is 3 electrons for lithium. Atomic number is 3, mass number is 6, so 3 protons, 3 neutrons and 3 electrons. Okay, so this blue is the proton and this red is the neutron, whereas these three are the electrons. Okay, so the first shell has only 2 capacity of electrons, so it enters in second shell. Okay, so this is the which contains the 3 protons, 4 neutrons and 3 electrons, which has atomic mass 7, that is 6.941 means 7. Here is, this is the melting point and boiling point. The electronic configuration is 2 1. Okay, it is discovered in 1817 by John August Aft Whitson, Arthur Benson. Okay, are you getting this? This is alkali metal and it is solid. Okay, let's see for second period again the second electron, that is beryllium, which has a number of shells 2. Then electron configuration is 1s2 2s2, that is orbitals, that is 2 orbitals, 1 orbit and second orbit. So this has 2 electrons in first orbital and 2 electrons in second orbital. Okay, this is the electronic configuration of helium, that is 1s2 2s2, which is stable. Sorry, this is the electronic configuration of beryllium. This is the electronic configuration of beryllium, which is 1s2 2s2. Okay, let's take second, that is for carbon. Second period, number of shells are 2. Then the carbon, hence 1s2 2s2 2p2, means there is a 4 electron in second shell. Okay, so 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons are there for carbon. Let's see a video for this. In that carbon has 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. It is non-metal solid which has mass 12, that is proton plus electrons plus neutrons, she varies. Okay, so this is melting point, this is boiling point, this is sublimation point of carbon, and electronic configuration is 2, 4, and it is discovered by Anthony Lavoisier, that is 1789. Okay, in this we can see here is 1 electron, here is another electron. In second shell there is a 2 electron, there is a 2 electron, that is 4 electrons in second shell. Okay, let's see second period for oxygen, that is n is equal to 2, 1s2 2s2 2p4. Its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p4 orbitals. Okay, so it has what, 6 electrons in outermost shell, 2 electrons in innermost shell and 6 electron in outermost shells. Okay, for neon there is n is equal to again 2 for second period. So it has electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 orbitals. Okay, so it has 10 electrons, 10 neutrons and 10 protons. Okay, are you getting this? Let's see a video for this. That is, in this is the neon, this atomic mass 20.17, proton 10, neutron 10, electrons 10. Okay, so this is the noble gas. It has melting point, it has boiling point, and electron configuration 2s2 8. Okay, 2, 8. It is discovered in 1898 by Sir William Ramsay. Okay, let's see for third period. For third period, n is equal to 3. Hence, the electronic configuration or shells are start from 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s122 3p126, or neon, electronic configuration of neon and 3s122 and 3p126. Okay, for let's see for sodium, it has 11 atomic number, mass is 23, and 3 energy levels are there. Protons are 11, neutrons are 12, electrons are 11. So let's see, after the completion of first 2 electrons, they go into the second shell, that is which has 8 electron capacity. Then the 1 electron is go in the third shell. Okay, so it is kept in third period. Okay, let's see a video for this, which has atomic number 12. Okay, atomic mass number 23, proton 11, neutron 12, electron 11. Alkali metal, solid mass. It has melting point, it has boiling point, this, and electronic configuration is 218. This is the 10th electronic configuration. 10th means in 10th we discuss like this electronic configuration. Okay, that is 2, 8, 1. It is discovered in 1807 by Sir Humphrey Davy. Humphrey Davy. Okay, this is another element of third period, that is aluminium, which has 13 protons, 14 neutrons and 13 electrons. Okay, this is the position which has 3 shells, that is, say, first shell has 2 electrons, second shell has 8 electrons, and third shell has 3 electrons. Okay, are you getting this? Let's see a video for this. This has 13 protons, 14 neutrons and 13 electrons. Okay, the mass is 27. This is post transition elements. After the transition metal it is there, so it is known as post transition element metal, that is a solid. It has melting point, it has boiling point like this. So electronic configuration is 2, 8, 3, and it is discovered in 1827 by Friedrich Wöhler. By Friedrich Wöhler. Okay, are you getting this? Let's see for third period, that is another element, that is sulfur. Okay, which has shells 3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s122, 3p126. Okay, here we know that there is a 16 proton and 16 neutrons, whereas a 16 electron are there. Okay, so let's see a video for this. That is, it has mass 32 mass, then 16 protons, 16 neutron and 16 electrons. This is a non-metal solid which has melting point like this. This is the boiling point, and this is the electronic configuration 286. It is discovered in 1877 by Antonio Lavoisier. Antony Lavoisier, that is the father of chemistry, which discovered this. Okay, let's see for third period another element, that is argon, which has 18 protons, 22 neutrons and 18 electrons. Okay, which has the shell 3 shells, that is 1s2 1 shell, second shell 2s2 2p6, and third shell 3s122 and 3p126. Okay, this is the third shell which has 8 electrons in third shell again. Okay, let's see for fourth period, n is equal to 4. Hence the electronic configuration is, general electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s1 2 to 3d 0 to 10 4p1 to 6. Okay, are you getting this? For potassium, it has 19 protons, 20 neutrons and 19 electrons. So mass of the potassium is what? This is 39. Okay, are you getting this? Let's see. For fourth shell, that is fourth period, number of shell is n is equal to 4. The example is of scandium, which has electronic configuration 4 argon, 4s2, 3d1 and 4p 0. Okay, this has the orbitals, that is 1 2 3 and 4 orbitals. So 4 orbitals are there, so it is in placed in fourth period. Okay, then next, for fourth period, that is n is equal to number 4, another example is bromine and iron, which carries 4 subshells. Okay, that is 1s, this is 2s 2p, this is 3s 3p, and this is 3d 4p. Okay, are you getting this? This bromine has 35 protons, 45 neutrons and 35 electrons, whereas for iron this is 26 protons, 30 electrons and 26 electrons. Okay, let's see another example, that is for 4 period, that is a krypton. Okay, that is its atomic number is 36, so it has 13 electrons, 13 protons and 48 neutrons. Okay, this has the structure like this, in which 4s2, then 3d 0 to 10 and 4p orbital are there. Okay, let's see for fifth shell, the example is rubidium and iodine. It has 5 shells, so n is equal to number of number of shell is 5. Hence electronic configuration is krypton 5s2, 4d 0 to 10, 5p 1 to 6. Okay, so rubidium has 37 protons, 48 neutrons and 37 electrons. This is very reactive metal. Okay, it is in s block. Let's see another, that is iodine, which has 53 protons, 73 neutrons and 53 electrons. Okay, are you getting this? Let's see another example, n is equal to number 5. So hence 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4, 3p6, 4s2, 3d0, 4p6, 3d2, 4d 0 to 10, then 5p 1 to 6. Okay, for krypton it is, for krypton, that is in square bracket. So the electronic configuration of this, that is xenon, is 5s2, 4d 0 to 10, 5p 1 to 6 orbitals are there for xenon. Same as we see here, this is the colored picture of xenon. Okay, as we know, there here is a crowding in between these elements. Okay, let's see a total diagram on this. That is 1s, that is period number 1 to 7. This is filling of electrons. This is filling of electrons in orbitals, that is start from and end with. Okay, so it starts from 1s, ends with 1s. It has 2 number of electrons. The first element is hydrogen, second element is helium. So 1s2, 1s1 and 1s2. Okay, let's see for second, that is it starts from 2s and ends with 2p, because the last shell in the periodic table, that is in p block element, that is 2p, 3p, 5p, 4p. Okay, are you getting this? So this 2s get converted into 2p by using 8 electrons. Okay, so this is the configuration of lithium, that is Li 2s1 to argon 2s2 to 2p6. Okay, for third period, that is 3s to 3p, again 8 electrons, 4s to 3d, 4p, again 18 electrons, 5s to 4d and then 4d to 5p, that is 18 electrons. Whereas for 6s to 4f, then 3d and then 3d9, then here is a 6 5d, and here is a 6p. So it has 32 atomic number. Okay, then next, that is 7s to 5f to 6d to 7p. 32 elements are there, means these are the magic numbers, that is 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. These magic numbers are used to understand the periodic table, in which here we can see outer shell electronic configuration, first element and last element. Here is a hydrogen 1s1, helium 1s2. Here is a sodium for third period, that is 3s1. For neon it is 3s2, 3p6. For rubidium it is 5s1, whereas in xenon it is 5s2 and 5p6. Okay, same as below, that is 6s and 7s, 6 group and 7 group. Okay, let's see a question on this. What is the subshell in which the last electron of the first element in the sixth period enters? आता लक्षात घ्यायचं, 6व्या पिरियड मध्ये पहिला एलिमेंट कोणता आहे, तर त्यानुसार त्याचं क्लासिफिकेशन करायचं. ओके, so the sixth period begins by filling the last electron shell with n is equal to 6. The lowest energy subshell of any shell is s. सगळ्यात लहान शेल कोणती, ज्याला कमी एनर्जी लागते, ती म्हणजे s. Therefore last electron of the first element in the period sixth period enters the subshell number 6s. Okay, are you getting this? Let's see another problem. How many elements are present in the sixth period? Explain. This is explain means we have to write a 2 to 3 word sentence over sentence in the exam. Okay, so the sixth period begins by filling the last electron in the subshell, that is 6s, and ends by completing the subshell 6p. Therefore the sixth period has a subshell filled by increasing order as 6s is lower than 4f, 4f is lower than 5d, and 5d is lower than 6p. Okay, the electron capacities of these subshells are 2, 14, 10, 6 असे आहेत. Okay, therefore the total number of elements in the sixth period are, sixth period मध्ये किती numbers आहेत, मग elements आहेत, so 2 plus 14 plus 10 plus 6, so it is 32 elements are there in periodic table. Okay, let's see a video with structure of atomic shells in this video, that is by David Moore. Okay, यावरून तुम्हाला लक्षात आलं असेल की इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन पिरियड मधलं कसं आहे. ठीक आहे, यानंतरचा आपण व्हिडिओ लेक्चर पुढच्या याच्यावर बघूया, ज्यामध्ये आहे इंट्रोडक्शन आहे, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इन ग्रुप्स. ओके, यावर आपण पुढचा लेक्चर घेऊया. ओके, थँक्यू.